to actually eat it.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm Jackson. I'm the founder of Tuft and Paw, and we're launching a new cat food, and it has human grade ingredients. If it's good enough for our cats, it's good enough for me. Okay. It smells like soupy. Let's do this. Huh. So it's I wouldn't be surprised if somebody served this to me to eat it as a human.
Wow.
It does taste like a stew, and actually the texture is pretty nice too. You know, I haven't eaten a ton of cat foods to compare it to. Not bad. Kind of like meat forward.